Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna catch people who's catfishing. Do you know what catfishing is? It's when someone fakes. So what a lot of people type in is me don't judge when it's really fake. Okay, at the start this already looks fake. Like legit. Someone said, I think this is the person's name. I'm gonna search it up. Okay guys, so I searched the woman up and I apparently found her, and I'll give you proof that this is her, you know. But the reason why I'm only showing her this like square and I'm not showing you the like other pictures like them, you know, is because a lot of these are actually really rude. Like, whoa, okay, no, okay, we're gonna go off this picture. Oh god, okay, yeah, we're done with this, but this is a fake. Okay, oh wow, that is actually, are you actually serious? Okay, so if we search up, I'm pretty sure it's Ariana Grande, you know, totally Ariana Grande is the fake one, you know. But I swear this girl has an actual same face as this girl. Am I just kidding? Or am I legit being serious, you know? Like, come on. This is flipping Ariana Grande, like. And Ariana Grande is gonna be the only one who's Ariana Grande, okay? So don't act like you're Ariana Grande, because, honey, you're not. This, you know, is a fake. Okay, I'm gonna do me don't judge, because a lot of people do that. And you know, a lot of people are fake. Like, I could tell which ones is real and fake just by the... Okay, I'm sorry, but I think that's fake. Like, that legit looks fake. I'm not being mean, but I'm gonna search her up and see if I can find it. Okay, a lot of people are saying this on Google, but I can't find it, but that's legit fake. I'm sorry. If it is real, then I'm sorry, but, you know, that's fake. Oh my god, are you actually being serious? Another Ariana Grande. Seriously. Oh, what? I think they tried to like Photoshop or something, because honey, that is not, well, it is Ariana Grande, but it ain't you. I don't. This is fake. You wanna know why? Guys, I legit searched emo girl with blue and black hair with a Superman top on, and I'm pretty sure this is the picture. Don't they both look alike? I mean, it's pretty obvious, to be honest. That's definitely a fake. Sorry. Okay, another fake. He is a flippin' actor, bruv. You are not him. Sorry to break it to you. And, you know, bruv, why? Why would anybody catfish? That's the thing. That's what, you know, that really bothers me. So yeah, just, you know, look like Amora. Okay, this page is actually looks like real. Okay, I'm not gonna click on that. These look like people who are real. Look, and never Ariana Grande. I'm sorry, but this actually looks fake again because, you know, so let's try and search this up. Gothic girl with a bubble gum in her mouth. Let's see if we can find anything. Goth girl with black hair and with bubblegum in her mouth because, wait, she looks like the girl. Is it? No. Okay, I'm weird. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh. People saying reverse search it. Okay. I'm sorry for this. It's stupid. Oh jeez. I can't search anything, but guys, this is fake. Sorry. This girl, this looks fake. This girl, you are fake. Like, I don't want to be rude, but they legit looked fake. I can't be bothered to do that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, no, no, no. OMG, this is fake. Like, no joke, this is definitely fake. I hate it when some people fake. I don't know if that's fake. Yeah, I don't know. You serious? No. Okay then. Let's search in Miley Cyrus. Oh. I swear this girl looks like Miley Cyrus. Is it just me? Or is this Miley Cyrus? Oh my god. I don't know why. Oh my god. These pictures are such lookalikes. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus plays Movie Star Planet. Oh my god. Yes, Miley, you're only level 3, honey. Beautiful. I'm Miley, so don't judge. Okay, first of all, you don't even know how to spell judge. And why a devil emoji? Like, you know. Yeah, seriously, dying Miley. Rachika. This is not fake. I hope not. I don't know, I feel stupid. I'm done with fake, to be honest. Like, God help. Okay. This page actually looks... okay. Oh my god. Let's just type in me and see what pops up. Okay, so far it looks real, not catfishes, you know. Okay, well done, kids. I'm actually seeing a lot of things that legit looks real. Nicki Minaj, Lauren Gray, and I don't know about this one. Okay. This, oh my god, no, please. This is fake, sorry, you know. So is that Lauren Gray one, cause that's Lauren. Oh my god. This person did such a good, this girl is so good at screenshotting. Like, girl, we can legit see the background. Oh my god. I hate people's like that. And this is Nicki Minaj, annoying catfish. Oh my god. This could be hard to edit, by the way, guys. Oh, help. Hold up. I know, you know, y'all be like, why are you pressing this? But me and my ex miss you. Who would miss their ex? Like, I don't really don't know. And, okay. I thought it was like, you know, thing for a minute, but it's Gucci, you know, that looks real. So legit, out of all these now, they all look real technically. Oh, okay. Liz looks fake. Sorry if it's real, but I don't know. Like, I could tell certain stuff. I don't know why. I just do. It's just because a lot of people actually have Snapchat filters on, which is why I think it's real. But sometimes they actually look fake. And okay, so this is the girl who actually posted 2 pictures of the girls. Let's see if it looks like. Oh my god, this is fake. This is legit fake. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but that's fake. Oh my god, I'm done with this. Who would want to do that? Not me. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!